What's good, y'all? So I was gonna post the vlog content today, but I don't like the quality that it's at right now, and I don't want to put out any trash videos and trash quality with low value in it. So so I'd rather just post the post market analysis and post my trade recap and just cut the video at that, and then come back tomorrow and do what I actually want to do. So yeah, here's the trading recap from today, October 30th. And then yeah, that's all I really got for y'all today. And I'll be back tomorrow for some more vlog style content and give some more value with fitness and some psychology stuff with my book. And yeah, enjoy the video. All right, so let's get into this pre-market analysis. So today I was bearish on the day because I was bearish on the 4 hour. I used the 4 hour as my directional bias on the day. And yeah, coming to the day, I've been bearish on the 4 hour for like the past 2 weeks. Past 2 weeks, it looks like. So let's go back to market open, before market open. So before market open, this is what the this is what the market looked like. And then come to the 1 hour, and this is our 8:30 New York session open candle right there. And price came up into our 4 hour order block. So once we came up into our order block, I look for our steps. And we actually had stacked, you can see we had stacked order blocks. So it's a pretty strong area of resistance. So waiting for my steps to play out. First step happened up there. And as this first step happening, after looking over the trade, something that I mentioned in my last video, I think, starting to recognize, and I've been recognizing just the patterns of the bearish engulfings and the bullish engulfings at the top and bottoms of trends. So I noticed a 15-minute bearish engulfing right there. And then as we come, still looking for our steps throughout the day, got our second step, and then finally got our entry right here, right? Finally got our entry. And I see a 5-minute order block right here, and I had this marked off. And then with inside of the 5-minute order block, I also see a 5-minute bearish engulfing right here. So whenever I notice different patterns or different reoccurrences within the market, I jot them down in my notes, and I go back into my data, and I look for them. I look for these things, in past data, and verify, and just to see if it's something that's just happening occasionally, or is an actual edge within the markets. And this bearish engulfing and bullish engulfing are they've been consistent for the past 2 years that I've been trading. So definitely gonna start giving them a lot more weight. And it's just about knowing when to use them, knowing when to use a hammer versus knowing when to use you know a screwdriver. So knowing when to use the bearish engulfers and knowing when to use the bullish engulfers are important, because they happen they happen, all throughout the market. But if you use them at the wrong times, you're probably going to get screwed a lot more than you should, a lot more than you need to. So right here it made sense, hindsight, but that's not in my strategy, so I didn't even consider taking it. But it's just another thing to point out, it's just something to point out. But all I have to say, I got my entry right here. We got a nice strong move down. I was really confident that we would hit, our target, our full target. But we came down, and then boom, boom, we ended up chopping around our 1-to-1. Um, you know, yeah, we ended up chopping around our 1-to-1, and then we eventually hit our break even. So no money made, no money lost today. Which is a win, like I said earlier. Um, so we're gonna come back tomorrow. No, we still have news. I think we have news tomorrow. Let's see. And let's actually do the live login to show. Mm, mm, mm. Here it comes. So at 1509, let's go to the transactions. And then you can see October 30th right here, minus 160. So break even trade, the minus 160 is from the spread or the fill that I got. So yeah, looking at news for tomorrow and Friday. Tomorrow we have tomorrow we have core PC and unemployment claim at 7:30. And then Friday we have NFP, I believe. Yeah, NFP and unemployment rate. So still got a lot of news this week. Still have some potential to make some pretty big moves tomorrow and Friday, but we'll see. Break even trade. And the crazy thing about this, as we broke even, didn't even hit my stop loss and it came right down to my PT. So it is what it is, though. I'll definitely do some research into my break even trades and see, you know, out of all my break even trades, which ones stop me at a break even and then end up going to my PT versus the ones that hit my break even and then stop me out. Because if, you know, if the if it's a if it's a recurring pattern that I'm getting stopped out at break even and then it's hitting my PT more often than my stop loss, then I might consider I might consider removing my break even at 1 to 1. You know, if it's costing me more money than it's saving me. So that's really it for the trading recap. Nothing too crazy today at all. Just gonna come back tomorrow and repeat the same process over and over and over.